Obusian for me church munyina Papa Sonkon at the mobile Rast Media GH. So Obusian for Captain Smart, I. Joe Smart, I. Oni Nana Jantwa of Nshira FM. Omo jiga pa. Omo jiga ye. Our captains, John Dramani Mahama, and the Attorney General of the Republic. Nina said, "Nano yawa," and a picture be better about say. Encrophobia to Galamsey, to Galamsey, na Mayakwa to Galamsey, no pono, ewo railway lights, I say. The video better about no. More than one person be very angry with this. And I'm way so much on my funny day. Oh, sorry, Captain Smart, Abba Bontain, Abba Kasem, the Attorney General na Mahama Abono, Sa Papano, or no Kahun be, and I yemra, say Nipa da Sani Timiko Ura Forest team, Forest say, and more be in your banch crowd, banch as one fast was see a bedino. Or see Attorney General way, and this our proposal and a buy, yes, say, Yamakama Fonko 2 gold. And as a former good year, our forest team. And was this Attorney General way, dear, and compromise or honor, yen to mention some BBA. One fancy wa, or some cause treachery must say, and this ya bangweno. They are not ready to fight the Galamsey because Omoan Castle Omo. I'm see for any DC for one. Omoan need to Galamsey no. Obubo even some villages doing or treachery. Enkura hudu biswa and this is from point for A2 gala ewo. Nana Jan to us from Nshira FM. And so there another evidence ya biguwa. Actually said, Sabio and this is from point for any two Galamsey or Ghana mine. Now the ye also a hand kura said. And now joy news for Echo ye banner bibaya near the Mahama Afra Galamsey. And then this Fred Joy FM say Omo and take down that post. And I turn to us or no kweka krakapa the mwe didn't because NDC has failed in terms of fighting Galamsey. And some no dozen and say kelkum yejino kwakwanum and to my person in ayanko nenko tia sama Captain Smart and a jantua ejamuguho efa Galamsey sensem sama bibia at that professor and this ya buying can never and ever fight Galamsey. Me ya even jabe me mo akwaba ye pa. Hi Ras Media GH to me don sa esi subscription button no so se unyan subscribe ya. Sa so ameso se fancy adoma no so. Said ye ba ya the video be atuma be one of the first people amonsa ebe kan video no. Ye nkonko tie Captain Smart ene na jantoa. Kwan yo mo afa so mo afa ya NDC. Ye ba ne atoa do.
Catch them plane. Me say Attorney General we don't mean more buying we man fighting Galamsey. I know what I'm talking about. And I buy we ankasa no te hono onye ready so be fighting Galamsey. I am a Ghana for so me make no metro plane o. Your Excellency. You see meeting the CSOs. Hwamu nyina no Mahama, I love you, I like you. But the most important thing is that it is not about just the meetings. We want to see action. Hey, Peter, so Janina or that anti-Galamsey fight now on your friend of Bois or a colonel of the Ghana Armed Forces. Yay, or Chin Crawford, the woman called police station here, Jawon. Somebody should come and sit and tell me say what I'm saying is not true. Ochi Ghana for kwa dia ne do makogum. Ochi China for no do kwa ne jawo. Eti China ni timi nya akukuduro. China ni otimi nya akukuduro. Producer, I am selling it to you. I had a car some man nkrofofi say ya boye trim ena ye ka. Nti I said na China ni net me anya kukuduro afa 1.5 million Ghana cedis e de akwa ura soja ni no office bisanse sa China ni no ma ya che ne ko no he ya ja no What's it? Oh. What's it? Oh. Yajano. Mesenia my producer. I'm an abo. I'm one. Ebi a wadwin yo say. Mete hana me bo mitrim. And I make catch now. Yadu baby a ho. As I say, yin kasa ye a mindful no yet say. There were national issues. There were national issues. Say I'm no say. Time na. Na say o mayim. Yenye mra. Na afei. Yen fanye Galamsey e we kwayem yentumu gold no. Pacho. Samra no beba no. Na ya attorney general we. And no da no. And Ojitum, the Committee on Subsidiary Legislation, it was chaired by him. Attorney General, we say Yenko to Galamsey, away a quiet Tamana Kufad wa Baymun, on a Tenasum Ojitum. Parliament and publish it. Ne part. So I'm the ba. Me a bema, may catch now. Me say one fa, sir, Subsidiary Legislation Committee, no. One publishing committee no a report no. So one deba. Na ayeni. O kasa on Peninsula. Me catch them say, Attorney General, I am sorry. But until then, he was the chairman of that committee. Ejitu Muse, John Mahama Attorney General no. On Ejitu Muse as the chairperson. See him go to Galamsey. Why is he not repealing that law? Why is he quiet about it? Yeah, bring the Attorney General's picture. Let everybody see him. You think we are in this country to joke? Me, I'm not a joker. Me, Kofi Ghana. Me, Kofi Jumau. My joke, my jokey. Me, twin to apeteshing mocha. This Attorney General was the chairman of that committee. If Mahama says he wants to fight Galamsey, why are they not repealing that law? If this Attorney General was there addressing the CSOs, say Galamsey a big national issue, why are they not repealing that law? If a subsidiary legislation committee, it means to say Yanko to gold. Yenya Galamsey, our Ghana Kwayem, na papa we on that TV see, or na chairman or Jitum, I'm a coco ye. Na say na Galamsey ni Miriam, Meme Kahoni and the Galamsey. What do you say Galamsey? I could find the 4 times. Me 39 times in 2 years, no. Emu 4 was Galamsey, Akufado. I'm yet 4 times. Oh, Galamsey. Kanda pa me wafa me medi wachi campaign ama mo wadi MP medi wachi kanda pa all the dirty jobs me na me ye kanda pa ti me ye so me ye be che me wa yi ase all because me ka Galamsey asem bisa kanda pa he me sinya betue wo nyina aka eti sa Akufo do ye mambofo na wagye atum wo na ban mu se Yenko to Galamsey, I was a quiet na Yabo by anymore. I bet Attorney General, we are not yet the chairman. The committee on subsidiary legislation. On tables, Sergeant of Parliament say you repeal that law. I want the president to be bold enough. Your Excellency John Dramani Mahama, with all due respect to you as my president. Oluman. My Attorney General and Franco Parliament. May you repeal this Amrano and when the Bama Menya GDS say, John Mamma person fighting Galamsey. Otherwise, won't be fighting. I'm telling you. Attorney General when an artist on the Jitum say go to gold. You go to Galamsey. and we acquire him, and not what the attorney general. Meanwhile, that time, no, your chairman, attorney general, and then we are attorney general. Why is he not repealing that law? I said, look at here, I care about state of emergency. Remember, Sam George, you care about state of emergency. Medaka, Mekai, Akufa the time, Medaka. Obia slow state of emergency. I didn't say, and this is from 24 to Galamsey. Go to the various constituencies and check. The general secretary, the secretaries, the chairman, the women organizers. When we not to Galamsey, you think we don't know? We know. We know. I said, DC, our particular district, MC, our particular municipal assembly, MC, our particular metropolitan assembly. Na ye tu Galamsey wo ho, na ye ntimi stop here. Na DC, you know, MC, you know. No, I'm so fast one say. Tell me. Shemo TV no so na catch me. Producer will sack a China in video no. We share phone no so. What say am I? Share phone no so. One I will check me WhatsApp say take it to say Drew. And you see judiciary no account judiciary na attorney general account. Enti sa Galamsey fight no maka kire wo say enye ade bia ehu but the enti aban bia soro so be fight Galamsey ni say adwuma ni kurom ha adwuma eni kurom ha enti sa wo kasa wo stop it boom wo yam betwa kuro. African political parties including Ghana both NDC and MPP, they are interested in the next elections. They are not interested in the next generations. Both of them. Why is the Attorney General not telling us why? And the committee on Nedano as the chairman. Ejitu say yenko to Galamsey. Awe yekwayim. Say nya the papa. I don't know repealing that law. Yedi bosoming abai from January to October. You said 9 months. I didn't see. And abai went to be repealing that law. Because subsidiary legislation committee, you know, emrano wo hoda da omo ye omo de ba na chairman ne dobo ne gituma majority no agituma the chair say sa emrano timi ye adwuma. They can decide either to somebody be call the plenary to discuss or not. No one or call. Eti adentina say ya me no kase no abai ne fa sa emrano bi nko say ye twam say ye nya Galamsey we kwae nim. Why are they deceiving us? Me meka no kura na kire wo. Why are they deceiving us? If indeed abai we are ready so be fighting Galamsey on repeal samra don't twam ne here. Yay. On twam ne here. Somebody aware and yet who krum has say am no kasa no. John, wo obetimi awa adwempa. So the bebu o man no, baba men kan sam kire. Won crofo na edi wachi no won ahyase ntam dodo eni pa na edi wachi no won your excellency obuo na eni die kwan so won crofo na edi wachi no titiri won e pe president edi no o ma ahyase ntam dodo ti adwuma no bi anye John won edi wachi na o mo pe president edi no adwuma no o ma hye campaign asentam dodo obi anye adwon hu omo pe president edi no wo mo nam sa sa omo ye adwuma no wo mo pe president edi wo mo ye campaign ene ye te ho wo kurum ha John journalist be a presenter be a nukrum ha or baboso edo bae Jimmy now who can no be a slow. Everybody was scared and afraid of Akufo-Addo, but I said to hell with them. So me person met me a can no credit here na channel. Chairman of the Council of State in Penifua, Mutu Mahama Fono, and Crofona President Eddie Wanabemunu, Woma Shasian Tamdono, Woma Judgment at war. The earlier you reshuffle all of them, the better for all of us. The better for all of us. Me say, I am challenging Attorney General Defense and Dominic Ayeni. Openi, other than one repealing our law now, what say chairman now the bus and go to gold. I will acquire him. You brought that law. You were the chairman. Other than this for your logo legi. I was Amrano. Oko fresh years or say any other. Imani. Imani for Uncle Kane. Then Imani bitch by Imani Krawana Dano. Franklin Kujo, only maybe I got side to Crow. What can you do? Hey, when you call all these people together, what is next? And number 2 pen a fighting Galamsey 2. Meeting no a year, but the here. I'm telling you, me Saddam Tio. Meeting no a year pa, but the here. Number 1, you can say Dominic Ayeni, Attorney General say, Emrano no atena so me de beto Ghana ha say, yen ko dwiri ye kwaye ntungu, ne ntu Galamsey no Samrano. Number 1, mo fa ko parliament ni ntwam, me twen Samrano. Da mo betwam. Jo mama, eso twam. Wen twam a wuntimi fight Galamsey. Enu tina ma Peter MPP fa ko meeting. Womne wuntimi. Say, wunim sa Akufo-Addo. Omachema wuntimi concession, different concessions 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 concessions makomako enkron ena Akufo-Addo de ma eye chema wuntimi. Ena wuntimi atena se hunu yansa na omuni MPP mpani bia kwa meeting say baby ane concession wo bia no omutwa ntronto DC ya na MC yo hono so say ono so ye Galamsey. This is what they going to do. Ombe start enche. What am I fast down ho. Ombe start ewe NDC MMDC is the so baby I want to be concession wo bia no ombe start about so say wo so DC no utu Galamsey said e be ya wo ne be ye pe e want to be MPP for strategy. What am I for to from enche. Ebesha say DC way wakotu Galamsey e wachema won't be concession. DC way wakotu Galamsey e wachema won't be concession. A strategy. One be meeting no Cape Coast. Na me gina ho na me hwe ho. Na omo ho ya mesere. Meeting na koso ogwa. Na me hwe ho na mesere. Bi me report ayache. Neni nyanam ne jollof ne tilapia de banku na gasi efi UCC abegu omo nchen wo ho wo mu jimi sa jimi nu na me gina ho hwe wo na mesere nti wo de makan afo ani to fam wo mbe hye because forest nko a ene de ma wuntumi meboa numri forest number 1 ye de ma wuntumi eti enche wuntumi be ba be ka kire Ghana for say DC we akotu Galamsey e won concession DC we akotu wo de trodne dey tutu ho enche be unity eti adentra Dominic Ayeni ti ho as Attorney General na onye na dwen say Samra no no ankasa as Attorney General se si Mahama Attorney General no obetwa Samra nim ye na ye tiem say adentina ye forest ye wo forest reserve ye tu Galamsey wo forest reserve ye tu Galamsey wo Ghana foi. Don't blame anybody. Blame your Attorney General Mahama Attorney General to say on na chairman of that committee on the kofa Samra ne bae. eti adentina as attorney general Ofa samra ne nko parliament say Ghana mrahye bedwam say yentwam onso omote ho ato force ba ya all force no pacho 11 yentwam etwam betting sport bet you say sports betting pacho yentwam that's it ewusie tax yentwam adena mrana say yes ya pese fighting Galamsey and pam John Mahama ade tire mrana eda ho say yenye Galamsey wo kwaye mu no sa mrana de ntwam ma re fi say Ghana kwaye bia benzu concert be dey e okroma no me I don't see anything this government doing on Galamsey me can no natural plane me abawe me who the all year about Galamsey kwaye bia bensuo enti say aban otwa mu no led by one kase attorney general mra say yebeye Galamsey e wo kwaye mu na kwaye bia bensuo a na say yesey yensuo na wa fresi yeso sa aden say wo ma yentwa sa mra nim asem sebe
for Subin constituency afinso or general secretary hopeful for the new patriotic party enche menene betwetwe nkomo but question ambesa mi busa wo haninti na watimi akopi honorable mpacho betranse emami na ono a entie bi wo ha enti de ekoso wo MPP as a party no we MPP ni a uhu ne sei de na apese uhu de na ususu se enyeye de na ususu se wo so mu ye na yakeka enyoma abom me carry on the backdrop say Nancy. And it is timely, say, interview Honorable Eugene Entry because one of the key members of parliament are now almost supported, say, Ken Oforiata. No, former finance minister, no, woman pamono. And who send be by na video be about Bontina Gabi or Tredako or no, now go for friends or a prime minister. Or say, now we'll meet him be more Honorable Eugene Entry, I know a member of parliament. Any other members of parliament omotina ase na Akufo-Addo busa omo say fly over because obekaya amwako attack say obeye 5 interchanges ama eye Ashanti region for and now say MPs no kotina ase say David fly over no nyai muntie o ye tie say amwako attack fly over enum no MPs including Honorable Eugene Entry no ye MP for Subi omo se David onye mantem kwan na wonya flyover no ehu hia eno ne ma omo gyae a no ye mantem kwan no ahonte eye no nwanwan se obi ba begina ba bi abepa a chew te se de omo anya hwe ewo Ashanti region na se Honorable Eugene Entry mu edi yawu ye tie a ye ka se flyover nyamba ye no se problem no free na do danko Akufo-Addo because no person oye and Honorable Eugene Boatie Entry mu ye o madwe say David Kumasi for the here flyover ye dey ene kosi ye de tie no enche ye ne no betwetwe enkomo but we MPP ni am bie lines we wan kasa o de MPP de ekoi wo hu ne sen de ekosui wa wo hu ne say as an MPP ni wo hu ne say na afi ye ye ne special guest nso atwetwe enkomo but first I want to make a very quick comment. Me who say multimedia ye the documentary be by a friend of Dear Mahama na sa Dear Mahama no ye the picture be and a torso na picture ni ye do onu ni din and ye de ato Galamsey eso into one who Dear Mahama stop Galamsey now na eno ye documentary be a multimedia ye tie pa na ebaye no well the good thing is say Honorable Frank Amwakohene Doctor Regional Minister of Ashanti Region miankasa minia ene raise say oh na dentini ye de Yera John Mahama picture mom ena atoso ye documentary no na osusu say Yera John Dramani Mahama obon homoden efa saa enioma no ho enti picture na ye use ne de emboa enti hadwin now picture we near the atoso mpacha oba Facebook ye de saa picture no na atoso Jeff pe Nana Akufo-Addo de no emami pe Nana Akufo-Addo de no ema me nso enti brabesha picture first picture ye di kan e de to so na sa first picture na ye de to so no a joint news feature series dear Mahama any de picture atoso na joy for ne de to so no yera Frank Amwakohene o say oh picture we there na ni kwan say ne sa na ni kwan say de to ne so na it's a hard dream. Of course multimedia for no asesa no but wuntie ha multimedia for a joy for asesa picture no but I don't see anything wrong with the picture. Miana Miniane Frank Amwakohene, you know my position, but I disagree with Minia regional minister. Now I don't even see why I wasn't joining so we use our picture. No. The picture should have been there. I disagree. Say multimedia join news. Almost a picture now. You did John Dramani Mahama atoso. I disagree. I was say the picture no toso. Nanka why you find the picture atoso? Ah, Minia regional minister Frank Amwakohene, why you find the picture atoso? I was say the John Mahama president the picture atoso. And the picture no dey okay and one and no pay me use. I mean my tena has say na picture we kra do ma anya de. E wasn't comedy AI President John Mahama ne cabinet no na cabinet no insuo sa river tunnel ne nasefo. Sa AI ne meye AI President John Mahama omuti cabinet no insuo no mu nom no river tunnel wa ha river ayensu wa ha river hwan wa ha. Enti Minia regional minister na me bow yem. Me say of course joy news na ye na me insure for me mayor foforo. Me din President John Mahama o take cabinet a river tunnel ni river pra ni na sefo omu gina mu. Be share Facebook 2019 I want you to get the other picture so the omu ya de to so no man no. I want you to me person NDC for a picture of Nana Akufo-Addo. We crowd they say the John Mahama din abakama na nima efe kama. We dey ye Nana Akufo-Addo ye tutu na nima Galamsey enim. Please get me that photo. The only thing they say Minia Frank Amwakohene regional minister sebi anya te say standogo a odi ahantan didi obi atem no. O kan ye disagree and I respect that. The good thing in say wanya to say Sandogo dia nkobeka se yajimi jimimpo. But at least regional minister do say he disagrees and that is perfect. Yet here and ama joy for asesa omo de me edit and come in sesano. So I'm using this dear Mahama picture we are coming soon. Dear ni anye na Akufo-Addo wa hawo Galamsey ho. Ya mu bi kra de ya bompa hwe de na Akufo-Addo NDC for. What did you say about that? I hate hypocrisy. Sanya twom no yenyai. As a 4 legs good, 2 legs bad. Hwe de wo ye na Akufo-Addo bra Facebook na be he. NDC for joy for and it na mu yesa. Do you think say John Mahama president respectfully a demigod na? Onye demigod do. Onye bosom. You create bosom from people. And it messes up. She picture way ye cry joy cry there ye President Mahama nim ye. She the NDC for mu ye no. Mutu tu na Akufo-Addo enim de Galamsey. That one was okay. Mu use the year campaign. Mu use way na Akufo-Addo face way second of Galamsey. Ye nyina ye support say on fight Galamsey. You are using this picture NDC for many abreno. That time no mumu say na kan asem no. Na Akufo-Addo ye this picture way ye no mumu say na NDC for pen na ka say e nsem cho for mamu nyusu and say oh oye panyi NDC ni ben mu de mo dem mu obi show say ye use sa picture way NDC ni bi ka say Joy FM multimedia insure FM my nyusu sa picture no You see, those things in the moment we create a demigod from people, we create a demigod. It was a fee and channel, and then a mayo muya hantai no. The moment a moon is a president in Canasam no, and then almost to Benini and Canasam no ya hantai. What is it about, especially the president? Yentimin you seen him. Constitution no why na what washe. Yankin kan sa de no hada. Constitution no why na a good year no haso. Say nano yeye kase me nano on the platform me bot now say because I will never forgive Nana Akufo-Addo. So wa ma yenso aye brown. Man kan wa ha. Many am breed bia on MPP. Say Nana Akufo-Addo wa share Galamsey na asay. Na den tini ntimi kan che Yewura John Mahama say ono so share Galamsey na ekoso. What is it about John Mahama that we cannot talk about it in terms of Galamsey? And honestly, I don't see why Joy FM was some we. Na me want me enter me use we no. Dear we are me use. Me and me no Regional Minister me and me I'm defend, but I also disagree. Honestly, then you can say multimedia. I was say ane we crowd do my idea. Also come to tune ni bi. I was a cabinet ni nyina ya din su fi ni bi si wo. Perastos DNMA, Perastos DNMA. Yes. No what's the sano? Okuje to ablakwa nanu okuje to ablakwa na okuta saade no cabinet okuta insufino na Joy FM ye twitwa no eno na nam use the campaign near dear Nana Akufo-Addo. You see, I hate it. We need to stop that hypocrisy. Say John Mahama dia mayenka there be nanu be the same thing amekaye say Nana Akufo-Addo mayenka John Mahama dia maybe me kasa de John Mahama onye nipa because it was a time I said Nana Akufo-Addo be biano. It was okay in the sight of MPP. It was okay when we are criticizing Nana Akufo-Addo. It was okay, but all of a sudden the moment you touch John Mahama, hey, stomach journalist, hey, and then President John Mahama, for Christ sake, he's serving us, and I want it. The pe and obey, and it will cry. Quabrochene cartoonist nibi. Yo mo left and right. Yet you chrome ha, yet you chroma mo Bradina Copo. She okuje to ablakwa. And no displays are dewi. Okuje to ablakwa, me anka mini okuje to ablakwa. Sabre no, and no display start the wuna kucha. Ye enjoy FM4. Irastos asaridon kone kosesa insuo no river oda, river hwan, river yensu, river ninyina enana yera okuje to ablakwa. At that time parliament all display bra Facebook na be Samre ne de ne ye Samre na ne kase Nana Akufo-Addo en na Galamsey no ono utu se Nana Akufo-Addo watia sime ehunu nzuo no NDC for anamu ye we anamu de campaign e boy abaso no Samre na anamu use ye documentary ene ye pictures yewura okuje to ablakwa ekuta bi no Samre mi busa se Samre na Nana Akufo-Addo ote se otu Galamsey Makati say Ghana nyamo deal. Ghana nya NDC ni MPP deal. We are not going to allow you. Akwenya. Enti so unya akwenya na wo suma. De ye pebia ye be President John Mahama. De ye pebia ye ne ye tua ne ka. Ye ne ye to ne boss shorts mano. Ye ne ye to ne singlet mano. Ni shoe, ni milo wonom ye ne ye to mano de pen obeye. Enya do no pen obeye. And now you full soldier, you don't care. Enya wo de wo person o kire ne wo se ye ma wo. Obi anka nje so me president. Obi anka nche president nya by force sa wodo ho ba wodo ho aba munya atwom no. Yes, President John Mahama airborne homodin ba ye pese ade no etu ase enya te se wo born homodin o because Galamsey no every day nipa in fact every minute obi nya kidney problem, every minute obi nya liver problem, obi nya cancer. Enti enya te se ye twen there be ye be sini when so akopim say ye better say afede ya flash all the Galamsey out na ye nso ne protect it. Damre na no kuje to black way display nso no NDC for be ne can say oh enye fede honorable mo ye munyai samre no me bana me be kikamu egu Nana Akufo-Addo ne MPP so na bon sem akwado kano krepa adwuma na noa na oye no na ka say Galamsey me makacho say Galamsey no so uye obi Galamsey ana abaya won solve no me no unye free when it comes to issues of Galamsey opa ye den when it comes to issues of destroying the water I will not allow you mentwe maw ya bro ya bre me say san show we monye editing ma mo amutimi editing no monfa President John Mahama ni tintua so na onkuta san show no na mon display moma cabinet no metwa cabinet no monfa nso ni bi nsi so maye AI monfa nye ni enka Dear John Mahama koma stop Galamsey now. You be use President John Mahama ni pictures aye bibia when it comes to Galamsey. Me and Amini ane Frankamo, but I disagree with him. And in fact I disagree with Joy FM. Me platform me disagree. Say mu yi picture no because what is pressure? Pressure. O me ma fu soldiers a dictate amount. Pressure. Have you forgotten our job? Chapter 12 of the Constitution in the Kind Constitution, chapter 12. Or say every day hold the government accountable to the people. It is our mandate, constitutional rights. When I'm here, I'm creating demigod. I feel near Kasana. So mudi yanye yesru debi. For soldiers, it's part of the organized flag. Me, it's our project in mind. It's part of psychology. They penkophobia no maba be attack you na fe we yam hihyew da bi ya pa Ghana 9 people fo nyina gada kra mfa na NDC mo pa mo mra emfa ye beje Ghana esi ho me kan chapter 12 kakra bi akiro freedom and independence of the press amu no ansem yesi ya no bi ye de ope Article chapter 12 of the Constitution. Freedom and independence of the media is hereby guaranteed. Okay, I say 5 no 1625. I say all agencies of the mass media shall at all times be free to uphold the principles, provisions, and objectives of this Constitution, and shall uphold the responsibility and accountability of the government to the people of Ghana. Article 162, clause 5. Go and read it. Yeah, Jumani said at all times, yeah, Major Mahama, and you can so home because me mama na kufado home, it's me Major Mahama so home. I'm not forcing you to listen to me. Now, I'm going to make a temple before saying, "Nya force it me." To NDC ni now unya happier. Kotie di omuba kabibia amount. Me try because when NDC one PP. I sit here for Ghana. All agencies of the mass media shall at all times, all times and yet sometimes, be free to uphold the principles, provisions, and objectives of this Constitution, and shall uphold mandamus the responsibility and accountability of the government to the people of Ghana. Yeah, Juma no. We are backing dogs. You boom to say kramai. We also guard dogs. To say kramai kona obey niura. Etole bia na echo say faha. Ye say menye ni say. Dear John Mahama. Ade na say ne ye wa. Galamsey no insuo na ye brown na ye wa enye obia. Ye mfa nso obia. E wo no akose. You are responsible for that. Na no ka kire na Akufo-Addo say dono ye ne nye. Na no Felix Kwache. Me aminia. Not say Joy FM no minim so mu ma ba mu da. Kajo say when it comes to Galamsey men ko hokra. E dey no. Ma yesa ni aso so muso sa na mo ye de mo pe. O say Ghana yi why? Article 257 clause 6 lands and natural resources dear no ka or say every mineral one kasa mineral every mineral in its natural state in under or upon any land in Ghana, rivers, streams, water courses throughout Ghana. I am on kind constitution no Tom. Article 257 clause 6. Every 257 clause 6. Every mineral, everyone can say some mineral. Every oil, gold, timber, why be a chance as I say Bradina. Nina the exclusive economic zones baby poda any area covered by territorial sea or continental shelf is the property of the Republic of Ghana and shall be vested in the President John Dramani Mahama on behalf of and in trust for the people of Ghana. ene da ho no mon kan constitution no enti nanu na ne ebo na Akufo-Addo tiri so say ono na wo so make sure say Galamsey ye be bo John Mahama tiri so sa ene ochina chi say Galamsey no on fix it ye be use ne picture ye be mana num so fi ni bi we kra de say ye e wo say nke mani sanso ni bi na say the be ya these are the pictures e wo say nke de bobo obo ho tell be awo sorry anopa now lands and natural resource minister ye ma wanum so fi ni bi ye di AI aya wo ye mehyew. We cannot allow politicians to do anything anyhow. And yes, I na abrochom de chichiro mu mai. And yen yanum sem trofo no so say mo boaye. Mo ma politicians intimidate mo dodo. Ade no say wa from there eye. Na wo ye wa djuma na usuru. Tina na Akufo-Addo de ono so onye nipa. Ye boni tiri so left and right, ye dome left and right no. Ye ono onye nipa. Koshe articles ma trafa na Akufo-Addo ho efa Galamsey. Drume bi mikra me article ba ko me say we need to clap for na Akufo-Addo for turning our water into tea. Article ba ko ametroye. Dede na wo hia ne asichiri. Samre na NDC for sana mo boy abaso. Then what has changed? It is wrong. Fix it. And the Galamsey they compromise you. Enye say no na wo di ya yentie yenia Felix Kwache ene okasama government yentie na no bi not Joy FM yentie do kan duati sa bre na ne ye kan sa mre no kra na adru MPP for say the way Galamsey issue no ma ye fa nya politics tie o MPP for ka say the way NDC ma ye fa nya politics ene da ho no kohwe me article me tro ene da ho. Thank you Jeff team. 12 May 2023 mina me tro Nana Kojijantoa Ghana must apply President Akufo-Addo for miraculously turning our colorless water to brown water. This is the article I wrote. This is the article. Samre no NDC for mo share ye. Say Nana Akufo Nana Jantoa ya dear pa the way I will see tackle President Akufo-Addo no. And now what the aba debut yentie Felix Kwache na fi yemrefi
and then my brother here Kofi say that we should take politics out of this. I don't know exactly what they mean. So merely because I'm a politician, I belong to the NDC. When I see clear wrongdoing on the part of the government of the day, the government that people have voted for, entrusted with power and authority and the resources of this country, I see them fail at what I believe to be a relatively straightforward issue in dealing with illegal mining. Actually,
you accuse the NPP of making the fight difficult.
But absolutely, then, but is that not what has happened? I mean,
and you also go on campaign.
No,
you make it difficult for them to fight it.
There's nothing I can see that can make this fight difficult for the president of Ghana, the government of Ghana, if he wants to deal with it. So I don't understand Dr. Emin's concern. You see, and that kind of commentary is what enables the impunity that we are seeing. Because the government of the day that should be called out, singled out for blame, then takes cover under collectivity. Something, those of us sitting here, in what way can we stop Galamsey beyond the public commentary are running? Who has the resources? Why? We have a 15,000 strong army, an almost 40,000 strong police service, and other crazy security agencies. You are telling me that a state like ours cannot wage a relentless battle against some miscreants destroying our environment and win it? The reason we are not able to do so is that this government is actively participating in the loot. And people like Professor Emin and my brother should acknowledge that we have been in power before. When we were in power, whatever responsibility there was to dealing with this was squarely ours. You can accuse us of not being able to carry through with the fight. It will be a valid criticism. But the moment another party takes over and they form government, it becomes their responsibility, unless you have evidence that even as they are making genuine efforts to address it, we are in any way, shape or form acting illegally to undermine them, and we are not doing so. So I don't accept that collective responsibility narrative. It is only amounting to making excuses for the MPP to fail further.
On the assembly of now can one ye careful. Utie the fellas kai nyina no say at that time in MPP for ka say mamu fanya politics, mamu fanya amanyosem. I say there be na me apart from say NDC for ne Ghana for ye be kekam no. Why in the wo to me say obetimi ama police ni soldiers akọ fight na issue ne ba ne ayete say oye nyina yen kambum eya wo responsibility eya MPP for enti munya se me mfa nya amanyosem no ene yewra John Mahama bai o se Ghana for yen support na meboa enye collectivism ni say yen nyina yen support ene mo kasa me mfa nya amanyosem. We have to be careful. Sometimes politicians will go overboard, but na MPP for say yen kambo me and solve because Galamsey nya MPP ni NDC asem o say there be na Akufo-Addo ne wo say 2p no wanya sa to me na enyo bi na be kire no enne wa ba na wo so ye di gu so say there be we nya amanyosem yen kambom na yewra president sabi papa hu say e wo say kan bom ne nyina ya dwini bom enya fe nti samre na ye nyina nso ya dwini bom mu and I want to anchor say MP before Nenya Kase say no come so mufanya politics. Mumenya careful. Because the honest truth is that NDC for media politics eman comfort to mamu. Galamsey media politics. Yabaha media politics. Eman comfort to mamu and I'm so mobile move any ye.
Oh yeah! Come on! Ishra
104.5
Kofi, just a quick comment. I'm in honorable and comment. Yeah, but we are working on the sound and so we are very fine.
Yeah, Nana. Andrea, I was surprised at me who said the picture of John Dramani Mahama on the fight against Galamsey, Nankofubi, NTRC, especially some foot soldiers and coming out from certain higher rank people. But Nana, Adebakwe so Mukaine say His Excellency John Dramani Mahama Nankasaka say we should still continue to put fire under his feet. And Ramekana was he enkeje ngunichi? And it's a media ne enkeje ngunichi. Now, boy, John Dramani Mahama, no wetumi asori akon Galamsey. Now, what is the problem? Adi we adi e bin sipe. Asem sine fu bi ho a. Nana yetimi tag no. Ye train information na ye tag no. Na yetimi de ni picture to ho. That's what the media does. And now here Attorney General Bekasai. Information obeka e nyina ye de ni picture to ho, ye de information na to ho. Obi make statement be a feel say a statement of public ne disseminated that information in the picture attach it. And the fight against Galamsey no, the commander in chief odi animu John Dramani Mahama. And he say fight against Galamsey cause na John Dramani Mahama picture that's what as the commander yeko Galamsey. What is the problem? Me who problem be a woman? He is the commander. Me to go fight Galamsey. Yeah. And he is the one who is actually capable of fighting the Galamsey because on security nina ekrano. It was so no krano why ready say media no civil society organizations na no mushare was why ready munke jamu michim sebe ya metumi akon. He believes he is the commander. And that's why he says ye money hit no ntimi nya den enko. Because sabi odi otwa kwan nim se na chiachia ntibia na or slow down baby. This heat will pull him up. Now what me at one more. I don't see why some people should have issues with say used to picture and we should look at the substantive issue. Now we cry divert attention from the main thing. And
that's why I am a bit highly disappointed in my own platform. Because Nana Akufo-Addo it was terrible.
Nana do the end time.
So my year the real Galamsey ni nami trimune ni namna nu nyimune na nu nyina ye Galamsey.
Nana do the
ye John Mahama fefa wusu.
Nana do the susu kra.
Ya picture bi anche de beto so.
Another time
ya no. Enche de beto so no ye de betrendi. Na ne no maba be ka je say nana mi nyim firi ho. Na so obi anti kra me be kan jam say mi nyi John Mahama de mfiri ho because sabi ye president ye bu no. But sabi on China na Akufo-Addo ono so be president ye use picture we ya. Why can't we use that picture?
And I'm surprised this thing is going on, but let me remind them. And no man me no me trust na me hwa no man me no a Ghana for the to abapa the man the NDC to come to power. So mo refia. Na economic issues, economic hardship. Manfo fi say asetena mu ayedin. E no ma bo ayedin. Ye hia se no ma kofem. and the NDC promised so omoba wono behwe na economic issue including yesidi no a ebu ne papa no behwe ama stabilize na mama enoma etumi akofem kakra de amaye eti ekokwa wasa sikasemu ahokyere no eka ho bi ne etoso bi mu was Galamsey gonna campaign na kosoro Galamsey nsensem no mampani kura gina simpie so hye yebo se omo a yeche wo mu no kura anya wo mu a but there are people behind it why na mimi nya rehye mu se aboa no se wo chi no na atwa ne ti a asa eti se pa se His Excellency John Dramani Mahama ehu aboa ne ti de pia ye ba ne atwa ne ti to me I expect say within the shortest possible time some people will go to jail ne ye ho atoye because ye hu aboa ne ti ye hu ba bi ye shankasa because kwala na ye chi wo mu de nya wo mu but to my surprise I say things are not going the way na me envision because na me say some campings bi wo by now
usu sa na kan
beni nana me
ti achire sa na President John Mahama kan wo se nkura ne de wo ba ye nkura na wo chi wo mu nkura ya wo mu ni sike ya wo mu nya 200 ne 300 no da beni ya te se wo de president mra excavators wa chi wo mu nyina no panyi ben ene wa boni din si ache no mpanifo na wo se na akufo do ni mu no panyi ben wa chi wo mu efa se bia na jantoa enko mu ye Galamsey ana honorable Eugene Boachi entwi o ye anenti no fa panyi ni mbai
na would say ene the 7th October exactly 9 months and nothing of that sort of the kingpins ni actual but nana for deputy CEO of Forestry Commission waka simbi na no na mama bombuye be hu ni say Galamsey ni mom de wo mu aye chi wo mu aye se ye behwehwe ne ya investigation agency mo afiri wo mu ne hu kingpins no e be kamaye na wo say say wo mu aye fo mo adwuma wo Galamsey site no ye mo mu do mo moja e kantam eye out it is a wu kunu kra no a Jeff, I think you still have it. And me de send you.
You couldn't do it.
Who couldn't cry me and Benny say, Kurasa, one a suma, cry, when you're in country.
Any country can be and Kebe Inedi.
Oh, that is what he
No, I understand that. Me read but me say any country, Bianca can't win anyway. Ya say, and Kofona, ya chew monka, Murano, Kebe Wedi.
Say, we are on another Jantuan as Sumameno, Untiminka, because Jantu Fane Jumano, or Manedi Muja cantam.
Ghana na betimi akasa nsimfunui
me mabamo buo from that time but I mean we look forward for the best.
Jeff project way quickly now unim I don't know surprisingly 1 year ago na me ka Galamsey hu ase
okay
and she say na Facebook Eddie memories
remind you okay
and dey me ko 2 year
okay and
then na Akufo-Addo na me ko 2 1 year ago.
Wonderful.
Jeff project mami 1 year ago. Na many abrise ye ka Galamsey say na Akufo-Addo ono na ye ewo to me say wo so ye hu adwuma.
Sure.
Enche Jeff be project.
Sure.
1 year ago I was talking about Galamsey and am dey gu na Akufo-Addo so. And then this for from say na wo ye adwuma. What kind of hypocrisy?
I remember you were calling him as the commander in chief. Now Boni Trisopa. And obi a witness to that.
Che and am dey ato ano. Memories 1 year ago fakosoro mami 7 October 2024 fakosoro na nkofo 1 year na me ko tu sa de we ene make you tese Ghana de ase enko yanim 1 year ago na me di gu na Akufo-Addo so ena na me kire no sa de we
na kai constitution
ena me kai constitution my constitution na ho mami
good asema wo kan de ya
na ene asemi na me kan at that time na NDC for say no 1 year ago I was talking about this.
I don't have the same thing.
Every no one about Chichen Como.
Oh yeah! Come on! Ishra
104.5.